Hello. Well, today we're going to be showing you how to make this really super soft dough. It's actually kind of hard because, well, we're filming this in the mirror. So, yeah.
It's actually very soft.
Yeah.
Very, very soft.
But anyways, let's get on with the video. So, the things you'll be needing is this. Okay, and it is fruit. It's Fructis very fine conditioner, but you can use any kind of conditioner as long as it's creamy, like as long as
I gave it 2 cups.
I know. As long as it's creamy, so like.
I thought you'd add the cornstarch first.
Doesn't really matter. So, just add in some of this stuff. You can't really see it that well. So, it has to be like thick. Like, you can't use a gel like this. See how it's runny and it's a gel? That won't work. So, it's gotta be more of a cream like that.
And we do have cornstarch.
Yes, and then you need cornstarch. Lift it up. It's so hard filming in a mirror.
So,
Well, yeah, because I'm using my phone to film. Yeah. So after you have your conditioner, which I'm trying not to spill, you need to add some cornstarch. You add a little at a time, or it'll get clumpy and gross.
it does look like that. I need
So-
something to mix with.
There's how much I'm adding at first.
How?
Ooh, I keep dropping it. It keeps spilling.
I need something to...
And then you want to
Why is there a spoon in here?
I don't know.
Can I
I'm
just use
using the
spoon?
back of a pencil.
Can I use the back of a spoon?
Yeah, or the front of the spoon. And then just keep adding a little as you go. So, I'll show you after I stir this up. So, it's starting to clump to the spoon. I meant, not spoon. Yeah, pencil. And,
Mine's clumping.
yeah, when it gets clumped up like this, like, so when it starts sticking to your pencil like that, or whatever you're stirring with, you just need to take it out, and knead it, which actually it's very fun because it starts to stick to your hands, and then as it gets harder, it just takes it all off your hands. And you might want to do this, like, I keep dropping everything, darn it. So, you might want to do this, like, in your, like, over your sink or over a garbage can because it gets very crummy. Well, the leftover cornstarch on it will fall off and it gets crummy. Darn it, I almost dropped it again. It's actually very lovely.
For me, it's not an expert thing.
Yeah. So we're going to be making obleck on her channel next. And we've actually never made obleck. We made this off camera. And if you keep this in an airtight container, it will stay soft. Which I'm happy about. So this is after like 2 hours of leaving it out. It's getting harder. But we accidentally left it out because we were in the middle. Well, we had just gotten done making it and then we had to go. And because we had to go eat dinner or do something. I can't remember what.
Go get more.
Wait, no, yeah.
Such.
And then we had to go eat dinner. Like, Papa was like, "Did you eat?" I'm like, yeah, kind of, not really. And then,
Did you eat?
and then, we had to go get more. So, just keep it in an airtight container, and it'll stay.
I think I'm actually getting the hang of this.
Yeah, I've done it so many times. I've made you some. I've made me some. And then, the more it turns into a dough, the less it'll be stretchy, but...
Ah! You keep dropping it.
Yeah.
So hard.
You get to see double me. Double me. Double me. It's very lovely. Now, you. Show the camera how you're doing.
Double me as well. And just...
Oh, look at... Wait, hold on. Hold on. No, I didn't do that right. It just starts to be very stretchy.
I am actually getting the hang of
Like,
it.
there's not much left on my hands. It is, though, stuck under my fingernails.
Oh, that's the horrible part.
So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing an obleck bath, but it's going to be on our dolls. Well, my doll, we forgot them at her house, so it only has one leg, and we're going to be filming.
Oh,
So if you don't know what obleck is, it's a solid and liquid.
Like if you punch it so hard, it's like a solid. But if you do it so softly,
It's a liquid.
Liquid.
But that's all for this DIY, and I'm probably going to go and make more of this. And so, say bye. Bye!
Bye.
Bye.